Hi everyone, it's Kevin from the Figaro Owners Club. It's great to be with you. Friday the 14th of February, Valentine's Day, really important day. Yeah, I know it's Valentine's Day, but something even more important today, it is the car's 34th birthday today. So 34 years ago today, the very first Figaro ran off the production line in Tokyo. And I mean, these cars are still going strong, and a lot of our members use them every day, and it's a real credit to Nissan that these cars are in still such great condition, and a real credit to the manufacturing process that they used at the time. I know a lot of suffer from rust, but let's not go there for the moment. Let's just enjoy for today and enjoy the fact these cars still look great. We still love them to death. Okay, so what I wanted to just reveal today also is you can actually tell the month that your car was actually produced, and you can do that by basically inputting the VIN number, VIN number, vehicle identification number, into our web site page down here. We'll put the link in. I'm just going to show you where your VIN number is, because I'm sure you know anyway, but let's just have a little top across to the engine bay. So in there you've got your VIN plate here, and on here is the VIN number. Okay, so it starts with FK10, then it's a dash, and then it's the 6 numbers. So what you want to be able to do is you put them 6 numbers into this web link that we're going to show you, and then you basically given the results, and it will say 03/91 or 04/94, sorry, 91. So that means basically your car was built in March, or it was built in April, and so on and so on. So the first 2 digits is the month. Can you believe BELLE was actually built in February? It's one of the early numbers, so I think 850 something is the VIN number. So this car was built in February 1991. And you know, I know that I'm so obsessed with cleaning it and looking after it, but I mean, come on, I mean, this car still looks incredibly great condition, and it's a fantastic credit to Nissan for producing such a wonderful car. So anyway, just a quick message from me: enjoy the weekend, go outside, give your car some love, and give it a kiss or something, whatever, and tell her how much you love her or him, and say thanks so much for all the enjoyment that they brought you, and hopefully they'll continue to do so in the future years. So and send the pictures through to the club. Okay, so we're going to print them in our publish them in our next newsletter, and obviously on our website too. So anyway, that's all from Kevin. Have a wonderful day and have a great weekend, and enjoy tonight, Valentine's night. See you all soon. Bye.